to my YouTube channel. I am Subhav Das, your friend and guide. So today we will discuss about the proof that some horse questions. So let us see. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta is equal to 2. So solution. Now solution. Take LHS. We'll take LHS and we'll prove RHS. So 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 1 plus cot theta is your cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta 1 by sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, that is your tan theta, plus 1 by cos theta, that is your sec theta. That is equal to your LCM. We will take sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 into, again take LCM, cos theta. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, that is equal to your, see, sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta, your sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta. We'll take it as single unit. So we can write here multiplying sin theta cos theta and the numerator sin theta plus cos theta. This is a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So we can write here that is equal to your sin theta plus cos theta whole square. That is your sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 whole divided by your sin theta cos theta. That is equal to your sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 minus 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. So plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. That is equal to your 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta cancelled. That is equal to your 2. That is your RHS, and RHS is proved. So now move on to the next question. What is given? If tan A plus sin A is equal to m and tan A minus sin A is equal to n, then prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 root mm. Okay. So we will see, this is your LHS, this is your RHS. So separately we will do. So first see m square minus n square is equal to how much m? So tan A plus sin A whole square minus tan A minus sin A whole square. So that is equal to your 4 tan A sin A. How? Because we know a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Okay. So now come to the RHS. 4 root mn, that is equal to your 4 root m is tan A plus sin A into tan A minus sin A. Okay. That is equal to your 4 root over how much? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that is equal to your 4 root over tan square A. Tan square A is your sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. That is equal to your 4 now root over sin square A minus sin square A cos square A whole divided by cos square A. Okay, that is equal to here 4 root over sin square will take common sin square A. Now 1 minus cos square A by cos square A. Okay, that is equal to here 4 root over sin square A into 1 minus cos square A sin square A by cos square A. That is equal to 4 root over sin square A by cos square A into sin square A. Okay, so that is equal to your 4 root over tan square A into sin square A. That is equal to your 4 tan A sin A. Thus LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS proved. So m square minus n square is equal to 4 root mn. So now move on to the next question. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to m and sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to n, prove that n into n square minus 1 is equal to 2n. Okay, we'll take cos theta, this is a solution, cos theta plus sin theta is equal to m. So this is your equation 1. Second given, sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to n. This is your equation 2. So now from equation 2 we will write that implies your 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta is equal to n. That implies your sin theta cos theta sin theta plus cos theta is equal to n. That implies your sin theta plus cos theta is equal to n sin theta cos theta. Okay, sin theta plus cos theta is n given in equation 1. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So I can write here, instead of sin theta cos theta I can write m is equal to n into, okay, directly write sin theta cos theta. Okay, now I will square the equation 1. Squaring equation 1, we will get, what we will get? We will get cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to m square. Okay, that implies here sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, sin theta cos theta, so is equal to your sin theta cos theta, here m by n, that implies here sin theta cos theta is equal to m by n, here from this equation is equal to m square. Now see, 1 plus, that implies 1 plus 2m by n is equal to m square. That implies 2m by n is equal to m square minus 1. That implies your 2m is equal to n into m square minus 1. Proved. Now move on to the next question. Sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 whole root over plus sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1 whole root over is equal to 2 cosec theta. So now take LHS. Take LHS. Okay, sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 root over plus sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1 root over is equal to. So here write is equal to. So here what we'll do? Here multiply sec theta minus 1 into sec theta minus 1 by multiplying sec theta minus 1 both in numerator and denominator. The value remains same, root over is there. Then plus here sec theta plus 1 into sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1 multiplying sec theta plus 1. Why? So see, if you multiply here plus 1, then I'll get sec square theta minus 1. So I will convert it into identity. Here also plus is there, so multiplied minus. Here minus is there, multiplied plus. So we can get here sec theta minus 1 whole square by sec square theta minus 1 root over plus your sec theta plus 1 whole square by sec square theta minus 1 root over. That is equal to here sec theta minus 1 whole square. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to your tan square theta whole root over plus sec theta plus 1 whole square by also tan square theta whole root over. Now root over is there and square is there. We will omit it. So that is equal to your sec theta minus 1 by tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 by tan theta. That is equal to taking LCM tan theta. Tan theta sec theta minus 1 plus sec theta plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. That is equal to your 2 sec theta by tan theta. Okay. That is equal to your 2 by cos theta whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to your 2 by cos theta into cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta cancel. That is equal to your 2 by sin theta. That is equal to your 2 cosec theta. RHS proved. So now move on to the next question. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So let us see what is given LHS. So given LHS, your cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. So that implies your sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Okay. So that is equal to your cos theta common root 2 minus 1. Okay. That implies your this is your sin theta. That implies your 1 by root 2 minus 1 is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So that implies, now we'll rationalizing the numerator. Rationalize. We'll write it root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. Okay. Is equal to cos theta by sin theta. That implies here what? Root 2 plus 1 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square is equal to cos theta by sin theta. That implies here root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay? So, here that implies here root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay? Now, cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta plus sin theta. Now here see, cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta plus sin theta minus sin theta. So, plus sin theta minus sin theta cancelled is equal to root 2 sin theta, which is your RHS we are getting proved. Okay. So now move on to the next question. If x is equal to r cos a into sin b, y is equal to r cos a into cos b, and z is equal to r sin a, then prove that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Okay. So solution. See, given x square plus y square plus z square is equal to LHS. So this is your LHS. So that is equal to your r cos a into sin b whole square plus r cos a cos b your whole square plus r sin a whole square. Okay, that is equal to your how much? R square cos square a sin square b plus r square cos square a cos square b plus r square sin square a. Okay, that equal to, see here common is there, cos square a r square, so r square cos square a common will get sin square b plus cos square b plus r square sin square a. So sin square b plus cos square b is 1. So that is equal to your r square cos square a plus r square sin square a. Again that is equal to your r square taking common. R square taking common will get cos square a plus sin square a. You know cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. So that is equal to your r square is equal to RHS, your root. Okay. So now move on to the next question. What is given? If cosec a plus cot a is equal to m, so that m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to cosec. So given, what is given? Solution. So what is given? Let's see. Cosec a plus cot a is equal to m. Okay. Now that implies here cosec a is 1 by sin a plus cos a by sin a is equal to m. That implies your sin a LCM 1 plus cos a is equal to m. M square is equal to 1 plus cos a by sin a whole square. Okay, that is equal to your 1 plus cos a whole square by sin square a. That is equal to your 1 plus cos a whole square by sin square is 1 minus cos square a. Okay, that is equal to your how much? 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A whole divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So 1 plus cos A cancelled is equal to your 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. This is your m square. We require m square minus 1 by m square plus 1. So m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A, your minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A plus 1. That is equal to your how much? 1 plus cos A minus 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A whole divided by again 1 plus cos A plus 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So here 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A. Here also we can cancel it. That is equal to your minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, minus theta plus. So this is cancelled. Now 2 cos A by 2. So 2 cancelled. That is equal to your cos A proved. Now move on to the next question. What is given? X is equal to A sin theta and Y is equal to B tan theta. So prove that A square by X square minus B square by Y square is equal to 1. So now take LHS. Take LHS. A square by X square minus B square by Y square is equal to A square by X square. X is A sin theta whole square minus B square by how much? Y square? B tan theta. B tan theta whole square. So that is equal to your A square by A square sin square theta minus B square by B square tan square theta. A square, here B square cancelled. That is equal to your 1 by sin square theta minus 1 by tan square theta. That is equal to your cosec square theta minus cot square theta, because 1 by sin square theta cos square theta, 1 by tan square theta cot square theta. That is equal to your 1. So RHS proved. Using identity we know cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So now move on to the next question. What is given? If A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to C, prove that A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to plus minus root A square plus B square minus C square. So okay, what is data given? Given A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to C. Now squaring both sides we will get, what we will get? A cos theta minus B sin theta whole square is equal to C square. That implies what? A square cos square theta, A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta sin theta cos theta sin theta is equal to C square. Okay, so that implies how much? Now see, A square cos square theta is your 1 minus sin square theta plus B square sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta is equal to c square. That implies your a square minus a square sin square theta plus b square minus b square cos square theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta is equal to c square. Now that implies a square plus b square minus c square is equal to, come to right side, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta. Okay, that implies a square plus b square minus c square is equal to c, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta, that is equal to your a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. Okay, so that implies root over of taking square root a square plus b square minus c square is equal to root over of a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. That implies your a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. So this is proved. So now move on to the next question. What is given? If x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta, prove that x by a to the power 2 by 3 plus y by b to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So now see, x is equal to a cos cube theta. So that implies x by a is equal to cos cube theta. Okay. Now y is equal to b sin cube theta. That implies y by b is equal to sin cube theta. Okay. Now here x by a to the power 2 by 3, that is equal to your x by a, how much? Cos cube theta to the power 2 by 3 plus sin cube theta to the power 2 by 3, that equal to your cos theta to the power 3 into 2 by 3 plus sin theta to the power 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 cancel. That is equal to your cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is equal to 1. So that is proved that x by a to the power 2 by 3 plus y by b to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Thanks for watching my videos till now. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if till yet you have not subscribed it, and share my video as much as possible to inspire me to upload more and more conceptual videos like this in future. Thank you.